Hello everyone, today we'll show you an installation scheme of Supply+. We'll use an ATX motherboard, 240mm water cooling, ATX power supply, and 385mm length GPU.
First of all, remove all the shells.
Convenient for all-round installation and wiring. Put in the motherboard module with pre-installed memory and solid state. Fix the motherboard with round head screws. You can learn how to manage the wiring in our other video. Put in the radiator and fix it. There are two installation positions for the radiator. You can hide wires below the radiator. Next, we install the fan at the tailboard. These two rows of holes are the fixed postures. Now we fix the PSU to the breakers. Note that the inclined plane of the breakers and the PSU fan are on the same side. Connect the power cord. Don't forget to turn on the switch. Let the power fan face outwards. You can adjust it up and down. The breaker next to the PSU can support 13.5 HDD. Fix the breaker to the chassis backplane. Install the hard disk at the end. Connect the hard disk cable to the motherboard. Pull the cable out from below. Install the graphic card and fix the screws. Install the PSU decorative plate. For the stability of the HDD breakers, don't forget to fix the PSU decorative plate and the HDD breaker together. Next, install quick release screws on the hard disk. Connect the cables and push in. Turn on your host. Now we have finished.